the plague that devoured the stars. It began, as most apocalypses do, with whispers. On the distant world of Kitharis, the first cases were dismissed as a local outbreak, a minor infection. The afflicted showed fevers, trembling, and skin lesions that spread like wildfire. The Kytherian Medical Guild had seen many plagues over their long history and had grown confident that their sterilization fields, nanite-based therapies, and genetic cleansing techniques could contain anything. They were wrong. Within weeks, whole cities were silenced. The virus moved faster than light. Not literally, but carried in the breath of starfarers, in the recycled air of cargo freighters, in droplets that clung to hull plating. Its true horror wasn't just its speed, but its adaptability. Every treatment attempted only made it stronger. Every immune response was cataloged and overwritten until the body itself collapsed into a slurry of corrupted tissue. It was named Thanathean by the Vayari scholars, death eternal. The infection spread system to system, empire to empire. The proud Shera Dominion, whose fleets had ruled 1,000 worlds, lost half its citizens in a single month. The crystalline Kvari, beings who had survived meteoric winters and cosmic radiation storms, shattered like glass before it. Even the machine symbiotes of the Tannic Combine, whose bodies were half metal, fell when the virus learned to hijack their organic processors. The galaxy watched itself burn. By the time humanity's exploratory fleets arrived on the edge of Vayari space, the plague had become an apocalypse. Star systems that should have glittered with commerce now drifted in silence. Orbital stations were graveyards of hollow-eyed corpses locked in frozen death. The human relief ship Solace made contact with a Vayari quarantine outpost. The aliens were desperate, skeletal things, locked in environmental suits, their translucent skin mottled with the infection. They begged the humans not to disembark, not to breathe the poisoned air. But the humans did. Captain Elena Torres led her team through the infected corridors in nothing more than their standard armor. No filters, no viral suppression fields. They walked among the bodies and the clouds of lingering spores. The Vayari watched in horror as the humans touched railings, bent over corpses, and breathed deeply in the contaminated air. Hours passed, then days. The humans did not sicken. The first tests were met with disbelief. Vayari scientists drew human blood samples and exposed them to Thanathean under-control conditions. Within minutes, human white blood cells devoured the infection like wolves tearing into